Welcome to our computer maintenance guide for 2025. Today, we'll dive into why keeping your computer in tip-top shape matters more than ever. To start, let's discuss the essential tools you'll need for regular maintenance that can help enhance your system's performance. Next up is updating your operating system. Regular updates are crucial for security and performance, ensuring your system runs swiftly. Let's perform a disk cleanup. This process helps remove unnecessary files, freeing up space and improving your computer's efficiency. Defragment your hard drive periodically. This helps to organize files more efficiently, speeding up access time significantly. Managing your startup programs can drastically reduce boot time. Let's see how you can control what runs at startup. Regularly scanning for malware is essential for your computer's security. Let's check some trusted antivirus solutions. Sometimes, hardware upgrades are necessary. Let's explore when and what components to replace for optimal speed. Protect your data by implementing a solid backup strategy. We'll discuss various backup solutions to keep your files safe. Finally, let's recap some best practices for maintaining your computer's performance in the long run.